Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install plugins in Notepad++ step by step. First, open Notepad++ on your Windows computer. At the top of the screen, click on the Plugins menu. From the drop-down menu, select Plugins Admin. This will open the official Notepad++ plugin manager, where you can browse and install available plugins. In the search box, type the name of the plugin you want to install. For example, you can search for Compare, NPP FTP, or XML tools. When you find the plugin, check the box next to its name. After that, click the Install button. A confirmation message may appear on the screen. Click Yes to continue. Notepad++ will automatically download and install the selected plugin. The application may restart automatically after the installation is complete. Once Notepad++ reopens, click the Plugins menu again. You should now see the newly installed plugin in the list. You can click on it and start using its features right away. If you do not see Plugins Admin, make sure you are using the latest version of Notepad++. Updating Notepad++ usually restores the plugin manager and gives you access to the latest plugins. That's it. This is the easiest way to install plugins in Notepad++ in 2026. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.